Jack and the Snoring Giant. One sunny afternoon, Jack skipped over to the giggle tree, where Pip was waiting. But today, something was different. The ground rumbled beneath Jack's feet, and the leaves shook as a deep, booming snore echoed through the forest. "Whoa, what was that?" Jack asked, wide-eyed. Pip twitched his tail. "I think it's coming from the Wobbleberry Hills." Curious, Jack and Pip followed the sound until they reached a giant, snuggled up in the middle of the meadow. He was fast asleep, his snores so loud that trees wobbled, birds flapped away in surprise, and even the river made wavy ripples. Pip covered his ears. If he keeps snoring like this, the whole forest might shake apart. Jack scratched his head. "We need to wake him up, but how?" Pip tried calling, "Hey, Mr. Giant, wake up!" But the giant only let out an even bigger snore. Jack clapped his hands. "Maybe we need to startle him awake." Pip nodded and tickled the giant's huge toe with a feather. The giant wiggled his foot but didn't wake up. Jack tried bouncing on a nearby log like a drum. Still nothing. Then Jack had an idea. He reached into his pocket and pulled out the magical laughter lantern. Maybe what he really needs is a good laugh. Pip's eyes sparkled. "Let's do it." Jack started telling his silliest jokes. "What kind of key opens a banana?" Pip tilted his head. "What kind?" "A monkey." "Nothing." Pip wiggled his tail and did his goofiest dance. The trees chuckled, but the giant just snored louder. Jack thought hard. "We need something really funny," then he grinned. "Pip, time for the tickle attack." They climbed up to the giant's enormous belly and gave him the biggest tickle they could. At first, the giant just twitched, then he giggled, then he chuckled, and then he laughed and laughed. The giant burst into the loudest, deepest belly laugh, shaking the whole hill. He sat up, wiping happy tears from his eyes. "Oh my, that was the best laugh I've had in years." Jack and Pip cheered. "You're awake." The giant stretched and yawned. "I didn't mean to snore so loud. I just haven't had a good laugh in ages." Jack smiled. "Well, laughter makes everything better." The giant beamed. "You're right, and from now on I'll make sure to laugh a little every day so I don't fall into a giggle-less sleep again." With the forest safe from the rumbling snores, Jack and Pip waved goodbye to their new giant friend and skipped back to the giggle tree, knowing that laughter had saved the day once again. Come back again for more adventures with Jack.